The temperature in zone 3 looks good.
Yes, and the activity levels are optimal across the board.
The airflow reading on Unit 12 is slightly below the threshold. Yes, I see that. Adjusting the parameters now. Humidity levels are optimal. The activity levels look good here.
Yes, and the weight checks are promising.
The flow rate on this line seems consistent.
Yes, and the intake data matches the projections. The birds look great.
Check the auger speed on this section. We need to maintain the even distribution.
Vitals look good. Scan the eye.
Scan complete. Data uploaded.
All right, move to the next one.
2.5 kilograms, Doctor.
Yes, approved. Make a note of the muscle development. Gently now, minimize the stress. Crate 7 is full. Moving to the next row.
2.5 kilograms, Doctor.
Yes, approved. Make a note of the muscle development.
Crate 7 is full. Switching now.
Understood. Keep the line moving smoothly.
The digital records are verified.
Confirmed healthy and suitable for processing. You may proceed with transport, Mr. Johnson.
Thank you, doctors. We'll move them now.
Everything looks good here, Doctor. Yes, final observation complete. Proceed to the factory section.
Watch for contamination on the next batch. Understood. We are monitoring closely.
Supervisor, check the weight on this lot.
Noted. Recalibrating the scales now. Airflow pressure is stabilizing right at the target level. Good. The moisture levels on line 3 are optimal. The drying cycle is complete. Moving to the next stage.
Asegúrense de que el tamaño sea uniforme.
Este lote se ve excelente, María.
Control de calidad aprobado.
The stacking quality is excellent on this run. Yes, the alignment is perfect for storage.
Slide it right up against the bulkhead. Keep it square. That's perfect. Lock it in.
Look how golden brown it turned out.
It's perfect. Let's carve it.
This chicken looks absolutely incredible, Dad.
You really outdid yourself this time. It smells amazing.
Let's dig in.